A damaged PVC pipe sticking out of the wall often causes serious leaks, and temporary fixes like tape or string rarely lasts. This repair method creates a custom internal sleeve by cutting and compressing a short section of PVC pipe, then bonding it securely inside the existing pipe with PVC cement. The new pipe fits tightly into the reinforced sleeve, forming a strong leak-resistant connection. It's a practical solution when replacing the entire pipe isn't possible. For the best long-term results, allow the adhesive to cure fully and test the joint before restoring the water supply. This is a practical trick for installing a faucet when the pipe is still under high water pressure. Instead of forcing the fitting into place, the plumber cuts a small groove along the threads, allowing some water to escape while tightening the faucet. Loses the pressure and makes installation much easier after wrapping the threads with Teflon tape and tightening the fitting. The connection becomes watertight. This method is especially useful when the main shut valve is broken or cannot be turned off, helping reduce water loss and handle emergencies quickly. However, it requires the right tools and experience. If done incorrectly, the threads can be damaged or cause leaks, so it's best left to skilled users or professional plumbers. The shower diverter wasn't working properly, causing weak water flow and preventing the water from switching correctly between the faucet and the shower head. Instead of replacing the entire faucet, the repair focuses on a simpler fix. After removing the handle and valve stem, the worn O-ring is replaced with a new one. The valve is then reassembled and tightened securely. Once completed, the water switches smoothly between the faucet and the shower head with no leaks. This is a simple and cost-effective DIY repair that can restore your shower faucet in just a few minutes, saving both time and the expense of buying a new fixture.
Instead of cutting the entire water pipe and dealing with a messy installation, this clever plumbing trick creates a new faucet connection in just a few simple steps. First, a standard plastic T-fitting is cut in half lengthwise, turning it into a custom clamp that can wrap perfectly around the existing pipe. After applying strong PVC adhesive to both halves and the pipe surface, the fitting is secured tightly in place using heavy-duty cable ties. Once the connection is firmly attached, a small hole is carefully opened through the pipe wall to allow water to flow into the new outlet. Finally, thread seal tape is wrapped around a brass faucet before it is screwed securely into the T-fitting. The result is a fast, practical, and surprisingly effective solution that avoids cutting the pipe completely. It's clean, inexpensive, and ideal for adding an extra water outlet in locations where traditional pipe modifications would be difficult. A simple idea, but a very smart use of everyday plumbing materials.
A common problem is that a flexible hose is too loose to fit securely onto a faucet, causing it to slip off and leak. Instead of simply wrapping tape around the hose, cut a small slit at the end. Trim the edge slightly, then wrap tape tightly to reduce the hose diameter. Once reattached, the hose grips the faucet much more securely, withstands water pressure better, and prevents leaks. It's a simple, low-cost solution when you don't have the correct hose connector. Small adjustments like this can often solve everyday problems without buying extra parts. Knowing a few practical DIY tricks can save both time and money during emergency repairs.
Have you ever needed to connect a water hose to a smooth PPR pipe without threads? This video shows a simple DIY solution. By heating the metal fitting instead of the plastic pipe, you can create clean, durable threads without damaging the pipe. It's a quick, practical plumbing trick that saves time, reduces waste, and makes repairs much easier.
You need is a short piece of PVC pipe that matches the size of the faucet nut. First, mark and cut a small section from one end of the pipe to create a slot that fits around the faucet shank. Next, drill a hole through the side of the pipe so you can insert a screwdriver, creating a simple T-handle for extra leverage. Place the homemade tool over the nut and turn the screwdriver to tighten it with ease. This is a clever and inexpensive DIY solution that makes it much easier to tighten faucet nuts in tight spaces, especially under sinks where ordinary wrenches are difficult to use. Don't wrap hemp directly onto smooth threads. It can slip and cause leaks. First, make small scratches on the threads, then wrap the hemp tightly and apply sealing paste. This creates a strong, leak-free connection.
What do you do when a water pipe is installed at the wrong angle? Instead of breaking the wall and starting over, this clever adjustable elbow connector solves the problem in minutes. Just install it, rotate it to align the fittings, and mount the faucet perfectly. A simple, practical plumbing hack that saves both time and money